In this problem, I'm going to evaluate the matrix expression 1/2 D minus B. So both my B and D matrices are the same dimensions. They're both 3 by 2. So I know that this subtraction is going to be defined. So let's go ahead and write this out. So it's 1/2 times my D matrix, and my D matrix is this guy. So I'm going to go ahead and write all those entries in. And I'm going to subtract from that my B matrix, which is this guy. So I'm going to go ahead and put those values in. So what this looks like is, before I can do the subtraction, it looks like my D matrix right here is being scaled by a factor of 1/2. So essentially I'm going to take every entry in this D matrix and I'm going to chop it in half, with 1/2 of each value. So when I do that, half of -2 is -1, half of 8 is 4, and then I can do halves and halves. Okay, so I've done all the halves of that matrix. And then from that I'm going to subtract my B matrix, which was these values. Okay. So they're both 3 by 2 matrices, so I'm going to subtract all the corresponding entries. So -1 minus 9 will be -10. 4 minus a -4 will be 4 plus 4. 2 minus a -3 will be 2 plus 3. 3 minus 6 will be a -3. And 2 minus 1 will be 1. And -5 minus 7 should be -12. So this is the solution matrix when I evaluate the expression 1/2 D minus B.